Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. We are at the shop today. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. Happy New Year! Okay, let me hurry up because it's cold. All right, so we are at FlashPrintingDepot today. Not open to the public. Please give me a call. This is the shop. It's a little crazy today. Happy New Year. The kids are still off of school. My husband's working hard. He has TikTok live over here. We have YouTube live over here.
I'm gonna take YouTube for a second. What's up? How you
Hey,
guys doing?
say hi to everyone in the video.
Yes. This customer ordered 6 120s plus 3 60s, and he got it all for like
$350.
a little over $300.
Yeah, so this is our typical day in the shop today. We are content creators and creating content. And I have a new embroidery effect, guys, that I'm going to show you in a minute once he's done talking.
Because you ordered all of that, you only paid $12 for shipping because we're going to throw it in a box and ship it out. So ship it out today too. We got same day, everything is always same day print. You got, and you didn't pay additional. We don't charge you for additional same day print.
Next day air.
Next day shipping.
I gotta pause this real quick. I need to roll this out. Alright, so I had to cut off an order from here, so now let's roll. Get all this. Let's roll it up. How many liquids? Alright, so this customer ordered 6 120s and 3 60s. So we're getting his order together now.
So you got it?
So I gotta roll this back up because it's coming right out of the printer. Am I missing it up?
So what?
We actually print into a roll. We don't print to the roll. We put it to the job and we have to cut it out.
The boy! This is getting all crazy.
Yeah, you need me to do it here. I got you.
Are you a professional?
Yeah, I'm always professionalism. You think I'm not professionalism? Okay, put your phone down. Y'all, I'm so professionalism.
Typical day at the shop. Alright, come on.
We're getting rid of all these for about $20,000 a pop.
Typical day at the shop.
Maybe you find a new DTF printer online, maybe you can get one in China or whatever, and then you can buy a dryer for cheap. These things gotta go. Then we work your inventory, and then again, we don't use cheap ink. We use non-sale white ink.
Got it?
It's all even if you have, it's a sale, you want to use it. You're not going to stay on your printer, you can use this thing right here, because you're going to print from it. You're printing every single day, no matter
She didn't believe that I was professional at this.
Okay, so these are the embroidery effects.
Regular white ink, because it will clog your printer. Even with the non-sediment white ink, whenever I clean out
This is the regular one. This is the embroidery effect. This is the regular one. The embroidery effect. This is the regular one. This is the embroidery effect. Alright, so this is it, guys. If you would like to convert your image into an embroidery effect, contact me at ordernow@FlashCustomTransfers.com.
Yeah, we're probably going to get a white one here soon, because we're losing all this white, so I'm going to push you guys down, and I'm going to probably go crack open another bottle of white.
You want me to get it? Okay. The man needs some white.
We are all about quality here at Flash Custom Transfers. We use quality ink, quality 5-layer bubble wrap film. A lot of people like to use that clear crack. Oh, it's clear, all that clear film. No, that's a cheap film.
I'm gonna leave it right here.
Super clear film. It's a cheap film.
Okay, back to this.
All right. Then we're going to add another one, and I'm going to go to this guy down.
All right, so this guy has 6. Let's go ahead and print again. Are you ready or you want me to wait? Okay, print. And 3. Busy day. Okay, so back to embroidery. If you would like your image embroidered effect, $20. Order now at FlashCustomTransfers.com. Go from this to this, from this to this. It's an effect, so just remember. And we're able to adjust the density on those too, but it looks really good.
Non-settling white ink. Also, what's cool about this, maybe I'll let it, I don't really want to, but if this goes low, this thing will beep so loud.
It will?
It go beep, beep. But I hate it. It sounds like an alarm is going off.
Hate it. Let me see, I can't see ya.
Oh.
That's okay, go ahead.
All right.
Do your thing.
On my white ink. Because we're printing so many blocks.
Yeah.
So it's taking up all of our white ink. And we're also using 100% white because we want that nice vibrant. The more white, you kind of have more of a hit, but it's still more vibrant. And because we're using such fine powder, our inks and everything, we still have a very soft hit.
We got 4 people in here.
I do have a manual option to white circulate, but I don't have to. This thing white circulates all on its own periodically. It'll just start white circulating. It'll just start circulating the white. Put my cap back on.
Oh, put it in that box.
Yep, put it in.
Oh, okay, I need to. Oh, that's not bad.
No.
5 people in here. I need to do that. So we had a bag and a white ink today. 4 likes, 4 people in here. We got TikTok over there. What's going? Are you good? You good?
You tired?
He's sleepy. Trash bag. You need some coffee?
Strawberry. Oh,
A what?
strawberry peanut power plus.
Oh.
FlashCustomTransfers.com.
Oh, excuse me.
Hot tamales.
I was gonna show y'all, as a woman and as a a new baddie in this world, you gotta do what you gotta do when you're at work. You always you gotta find the time to waist train, even if it's at work, guys. Waist train. You waist train when you can. What? Waist train when you can.
So I'm doing a head cleaning right now because we just printed 30 feet, and I like to, even though I'm using non-settling white ink, it's auto recirculation, it's auto stir, so there's a stir in there. Even if you did use regular white ink, it would still stir it for you. 11 people in here, hit that like button, guys. You guys are not cracking that like button. I need you guys to hit that like button while you're in here. I only got 4 likes. We got like 100 views. So I just did a head cleaning, and then we're going to print another 30 feet and probably do another head cleaning. So just a head cleaning, we'll lift this up because I want to see my nozzle check.
You want me to hold that for you, honey? Or
No,
you
I
got it? Okay.
And then I'm going to hit nozzle test. And while I'm doing this, I stop the machine's heat and I stop the machine's feed. Well, it's not actually feeding the bottom. There it goes. But anyway, so now we're going to do a nozzle check. We're going to see where my white channels are. See if I'm missing any channels. Ooh, that was a little close. Cut it a little close. We're actually doing very well on our channels. Cut it a little close to that guy more than I. Joey don't like that. Look how close it is. So I should have dropped it down a little bit.
Oh, honey.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It'll be fine. So, yeah, cut it just a little bit close, but that one, you just got to use a fine scissors. Again, it's already close right here, so you just got to use fine scissors just to cut it right there. It'll be fine. So, just so you guys know, I'm being stupid, I should have went like this first and created a gap and then did my nozzle check. But my nozzle check are good. All my white channels are great. So now I'm going to close the printer, give myself another gap. This way it's printing smooth. Also, too, another thing that you want to do, I already checked my white, you want to check your film. You want to make sure that you're not going to run out of film whenever you're printing such a large order. I've got that a lot of film back there, so you can print.
All right.
And I will put YouTube back.
A
And
lot of
then
film.
once she starts printing, I can hit heat and I can hit feed and it'll start to do. And my temperature hasn't gone down. I do about 113 degrees Celsius. I don't know how much that is in Fahrenheit, but it's over 200.
All right, let's go. Let's go. I need some fuel.
Roll these back. Work, everybody's going to vacation.
Did you say everybody's
Little
Sigma?
children go back to school. Keep it tight. The reason why I'm
Everybody's
telling him to keep it
Sigma.
tight is because, and again, we don't print to a roll. Everybody else prints to a roll. We print right to the, we print right, and then we print top right. Just like everybody else, all the major places.
You should have bottoms on that.
Hey, why am I being blamed for this? We already used all the bottoms.
Print right here.
Say my fault.
Put it into the same guy. We do need to go get tape though. Maybe we go to like a Home Depot or something, Lowe's or something, get some tape. Probably
Amazon
Walmart.
has cute tape.
Yeah, I know, but then we gotta wait. Unless you order it right now. We're gonna need some. You're not gonna have enough to take the box and everything else.
Cálmate.
So the reason why I'm telling you to keep it tight here is because if you have any slack there, you'll have slack here, and you'll fill up the roll up. You don't want to kind of roll up.
Pay attention.
All right, that's done there. You got another one in place.
What was that for?
Huh?
So after she's done with that one, you're gonna send.
Oh, you need me to do it?
Yeah. So also.
It's science. Look at this.
Oh, it's it.
Look, it's perfectly rolled,
Oh,
and then it tilts off to the side.
okay.
The science ain't science, y'all. Science is not science.
That's my thing on. I'm so sorry.
Don't worry, I understand.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I tried to show them why the science wasn't sciencing. Because if it's straight, right? Look, it's straight right here. You roll it, and then it tilts off to the side.
Okay, don't play because you're going to mess it up.
I'm not playing. I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
So I can get this straight. And then the ICC profile for our printers and the market printers is extremely accurate. And there's also a lot of ICC profiles built in that are going to give you the best high quality.
Ready to
print.
go. We just finished this guy's order. Shout out to Alex. He ordered 6 120s and 3 60s. So that's about 75 feet of transfers for about 350. He needed them by Thursday. Today's Monday. So we did do next day air. But this is his order.
So this is the last one?
No. So this is partial order here, and then the other order, the other part is here. Where's he going? Where are you going? He's hot. Honey, it is not that hot.
One good gust of fresh air.
What is the temperature outside?
Outside, 12.
It's not. Oh, it's cold. It is a cold day in Houston. It was 29 this morning. 29.
Believe? Hey, what's up with the other people?
I'm waiting for this to be done.
And then we're going to do the other ones and take the whole load or
Yeah.
just take half?
No, we're taking it all. Taking it all. Get it, go. Get it, go. Get it, go. Get it. Alright guys, so this is, I just want to show you real quick. This is a 4-pass. Look at the difference between that, laying that white, and then that is the 6-pass. And he's caught that, so he would like acknowledgement. Here is it. Here it is. So now let's show our YouTube friends. Over here, let me pause this. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. It was a good productive day. We were on TikTok Live, Instagram Live, YouTube Live. Guys, show everybody your product, show everybody your process. Family-owned business. We have a few orders to take out. We weren't gonna cut that, but that's okay. And hold on, let me show you something real quick. Forget, we do have 32-inch film, 24-inch film, 12-inch film. We have instant peel film, powders, cleaning solutions, ink, non-sediment white ink, all types of things, guys. So don't forget, FlashCustomTransfers.com. Let me just set you up. So don't forget FlashCustomTransfers.com. Also, if you would like the new embroidery effect, you can contact me at ordernow@FlashCustomTransfers.com. And I'm actually going to make a video to show you how to do that if you have Photoshop Beta. And if you don't, I have Photoshop Beta and I can get it done for you. I think I'm going to charge $20 just to convert your image, send it back to you, have it printed. Again, this is what it looks like. And again, this is an effect, so it's not going to always be perfect. So just remember, guys, this is the original. It's going to do its thing. All right, and we'll see you guys next time. Happy New Year.